Kote Gaeshi is the basic technique resulting from your Ura approach. In Aikido, you do not grab, push down, or oppose as anyone would do in a conflict situation. In Aikido, you learn to create a system. Such system is harmonic within, and conflict disappears. This is the solution Aikido offers. You merge and lead in the horizontal direction, and you use the energy of the attacker to create and maintain the system. This is your leadership. This is a basic or standard variation of Kote Gaeshi. As you rotate in Tenkan looking for Kote Gaeshi opportunity, you may grab or push down Uke's forearm. It is due to your natural reflexes to do something with your muscles. Your muscles contract. But you should not even touch Uke's forearm as you rotate and curve Uke's movement. But your hand is there and it does something like grabbing and pushing down. Lack of body control is the first challenge Aikido beginners encounter. It's like you do not want to, but if you film yourself, you discover that your body was in the process of making some movements you were not even aware of. By this time, you must already know about such reflexes that work against you. This is why you struggle to figure out how to follow the instructions. So, as you rotate in Tenkan, you reflexively also push down onto Uke's forearm. This is a mistake. Kote Gaeshi will not happen now. You should identify and accept that. When the downward movement began, you cannot change that. If you try, you will get in a trap. Uke will reach you and take advantage onto you. Some practitioners, other than our school, practice pushing down and then pulling up with the wrist turn, which, as they show, produces a throw Kote Gaeshi technique due to the brutal influence of the wrist joint. I consider such Kote Gaeshi a fundamental mistake. It is not safe to practice and it is not actually efficient. Pulling up from down is already a disconnection phase which can be used against the practitioner. There is no connection or control there, and those practitioners try to compensate it with the speed of execution. I consider such approach absolutely wrong. And we also considered why in our research that took place with the unit number 4, Kote Gaeshi, of the preparation cycle program. If you still have questions, review that lesson again. Now, when the push down happens, you have to continue pushing down and lead Uke's hand to the ground. Immediately, fix Uke's neck area with your other tegetana in your arm cross position. Now you can recognize the position for Kaiten Nage technique. You perform Kaiten Nage first and then switch to Udegarami if something goes wrong with Kaiten Nage. review all the details of Kaitenage with unit number 8, Basic Techniques of the Preparation Cycle program.